because they save our time and energy. So we can easily transport long distance by using them. Basically, there are three types of means of transport: the water transport, the land transport, and the air transport. Land transport include car, bus, motorcycle, trucks, etc. While water transport includes ships, boats, which move on rivers, seas, and oceans. While air transport includes airplanes and helicopters, which fly in the sky. Now, I feel like to tell you about the cheapest means of transport, which is bicycle. Among all means of land transport, bicycle is the simplest and eco-friendly vehicle. It has two wheels which move by pedaling. It does not need any kind of fuel or diesel. It did not cause any kind of pollution. And riding bicycle can keep us healthy. It is a cheap, easy to use and perfect for